Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme Neo 7X keeps updating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. It will reset your all settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos, documents. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.